whips, man. It's a beautiful sight. We lined up crazy. All these whips, bro. This shit is sexy, bro. I don't lie to you. Man, we out here, bro. This is big, man. This shit is nice, man. We got cars on cars, man. And oh my God, I ain't been outside in so long, man. It's been a pretty little minute. Look at this, man. Whole lineup, man. Whole lineup. Whole lineup. Everybody out there whips recording. Hold on up, man. Hold on up. It's not too cold. My favorite one is that blue one, I ain't gonna lie. That blue one go dummy. That blue one go dummy. Got a little, oh yeah, y'all see it. We out here, man. We out here, man. That joint hitting. That joint gets hitting. This joint hitting. This joint hitting for sure. This joint hitting, man. That thing built up, man. That whip is built up, man. That whip is most definitely built up. Got every type of thing out here, man. Everything. Y'all see it. Everything out here, man. Every time we whip out here. A wide body. Back to the back, man. It's just straight 2 minutes to walk to the back, man, out of the whips. Straight 2 minutes to walk to the back of the whips. You seen all the cars back here? So, watch yourself. It's cold, man.
I'm trying to teach.
Cold. It's definitely nasty. Excuse me. Oof. Oh my God, boy. Them tires is fat. 315. This joint nasty, bro.
Right after when he got out the exit, it was like
and this cat, bruh. Oh my God. Oh my God. That's a ship. They supposed to remove that, but you know it look good on this whip though. That's nasty, man. Now this is probably my personal favorite. It's between these two, but I like this blue, man. This blue is hard. I like the orange. Pay homage to my old whip. You feel me? I like the orange, and it's still more cars. It's still more cars. Everybody not even here right now, man. But you know, we in Atlanta, man. You see all the whips, man. This is crazy. Oh my God, it was nice right now. I'm gonna see if I can get some footage for y'all while we driving and stuff like that. But it's gonna be cold. Back to the whip we go. Nothing like home. Ooh, that John's sick. Pull up to the varsity, man. Let's line up. Man, got the 392 out here, man. Staying cold.
You stock everything?
Stock. Well, I'll tell you this. This junk is beautiful, man. Oh my God, this is beautiful. Y'all see it. Challenger SRT. V9 2 Hemi. Ooh-wee. Let me get a little quick comparison. Look, we gonna make this our own separate. Yeah, we got to. Y'all see big boy right here, man. Same thing in there, but you know we both SRT. God, that jump shot, man. You got the marrow over here sounding nice, man. That's not sound good.
I belong to somebody else, and that's on me. Ride around town in the SRT.